Dear friend, allow me to guide you on a path of self-discovery and self-improvement, inspired by the teachings of the great emperor and philosopher Marcus Aurelius. In a world where chaos often engulfs us before we even open our eyes in the morning, it is essential to cultivate the discipline and serenity necessary to wake up early and face the day with determination and clarity of mind. In this text, we will delve into the profound principles of Stoicism, unraveling the secrets behind the morning awakening, and exploring how we can find peace and inner strength, even in the most challenging moments. As we wake with the rising sun, we are greeted by a unique opportunity, the beginning of a new day. It is in this moment, when the world is still immersed in silence, that we have the chance to cultivate inner stillness and prepare our mind and body for the challenges ahead. As Marcus Aurelius said, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." In this sense, waking up early is not just a matter of fulfilling a mundane obligation, but an opportunity to practice gratitude and awareness of the present moment. By waking with the sun, we connect with the cyclical nature of life and remind ourselves of the impermanence of all things. This awareness helps us to put our challenges into perspective and find the courage to face them with dignity and resilience. At the heart of Stoicism lies the idea that virtue resides in the exercise of self-control and discipline. By waking up early, we exercise these virtues tangibly, showing ourselves that we are capable of overcoming laziness and complacency in pursuit of a higher purpose. As Seneca said, "Misfortune shows those who are not really friends." Waking up early requires a momentary renunciation of the comfort of sleep, but it is precisely this renunciation that strengthens us. By resisting the urge to stay in bed, we affirm our ability to control our desires and impulses and become more resilient in the face of life's trials. As Marcus Aurelius observed, adversity is an opportunity to test a true man. The modern world often confronts us with a constant frenzy of activity and distraction, making it difficult to find peace and inner tranquility. However, by waking up early, we give ourselves a precious gift, the gift of quietude. In the early hours of the morning, before the noise of the world invades our senses, we can find a refuge of calm and serenity. It is in this space of tranquility that we can connect with our true nature and find clarity of thought. As Epictetus said, "Learn to be indifferent to what does not depend on you." By cultivating inner serenity, we become less affected by external circumstances and more capable of facing life's challenges with equanimity and steadfastness of purpose. Waking up early is not just a matter of physical discipline, but also of mental discipline. In the early hours of the morning, before the demands of the day consume us, we have the opportunity to turn inward and reflect on our actions, values, and goals. As Socrates said, "An unexamined life is not worth living." In this sense, waking up early becomes a sacred ritual of self-discovery and self-improvement. By taking time to meditate, write in a journal, or simply contemplate the silence, we nourish our soul and strengthen our sense of purpose and direction. As Marcus Aurelius wrote in his Meditations, "If anyone can correct, let him correct. But if he cannot, let him accept his condition as God gave it to him." Throughout this text, we have explored the profound teachings of Stoicism and discovered how the simple act of waking up early can become a powerful means of self-improvement and personal growth. By waking with the sun, we affirm our determination to live with courage, serenity, and purpose. May these words serve as a gentle reminder that each new dawn is a precious gift, an opportunity to start anew and create the kind of life we wish to live. As Marcus Aurelius said, "Do not lose the opportunity to act as soon as the idea of doing so presents itself." May we awaken to life with gratitude, determination, and a deep sense of purpose. Friends, I hope this video has inspired you to wake with the sun and embrace the Stoic teachings of Marcus Aurelius in your lives. If you enjoyed the content and want more philosophical insights to enrich your personal journey, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Together, we can seek the wisdom and serenity that will help us face life's challenges with courage and determination. Thank you for watching, and until next time.